I mean, Redis, it's just so simple. Like, it's a key in, a key out. Like, that's why I think that there is a big appeal behind it. I'd say that's why developers really can pick up on it no problem.
It's a lot less scary too. Like, you don't have to worry about, oh, I have to set up this table and it's got to be right the first time, or it'll be a pain forever in the future. The sort of semi-ephemerality of it makes it sort of attractive. Doesn't feel like you're strapping stones to your feet and then going swimming.
What makes Redis simple is, well, let me compare it with, say, a MySQL or Postgres and Oracle instance. For that, as a developer, you have the data the way you use it in your program, and then you go to store it in an SQL database. You have to restructure that data, and there's a lot of mental processing that happens there to make that jump. So then you make that jump, you store it in there, and you wind up storing it in the best way for the database, not the best way for your program. And then you have to reverse that process coming back. And Redis lets you skip that entire middle process.
It's so simple to use, and it's powerful at the same time. You can kind of grow your experience with Redis at your own speed. You can start with 2 simple operations and then grow to using 50 different commands later if you need more complex data access.
Because Redis is such a simple, elegant solution, you can understand it, you can wrap your mind around it, and then the tools around it are relatively simple to get integrated into your applications.
You can go and spin up Redis. It's actually pretty easy to do. Right? That's kind of the whole idea here. What it's hard to do is actually hard to get it to perform and scale out. And at its top end, at its highest peak performance levels, like all data stores, it starts to get complicated. And so having experts around that you can call, somebody you can go get a helping hand from at 3 a.m. when you're trying to roll code for tomorrow's release, it's actually a pretty big difference maker for most people.